Hi guys, today I will guide you on how to install a butterfly clasp, as known as Deployant Clasp, into leather watch strap. To use this clasp, firstly, you have to attach the clasp to the short part of strap through a stainless bar. As you see in the video, this is how a butterfly clasp works. Next, attach two parts of the strap to the watch dial. Press the button to open the clasp. Gently push the remaining part of clasp to attach the long strap into the clasp. Adjust the strap length to fit your wrist by using the holes on the strap. To get the best fit of the clasp, you need to have the width of both the clasp and the strap. Insert the long strap through the keeper. Then just press the clasp firmly together until you hear a click sound. If you find that the hole you have selected is too loose or too tight, please select another holes to adjust sizing. Thank you for your watching.